Hello, friends. Drago here. And you are watching The Drago Show. If you guys enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. Redmi Note 5 with custom Redragon OS unboxing. This video is not sponsored by anyone. Let's open the box. Inside the box we're gonna get a mobile cover, a guide manual, a USB cable, a charging adapter and a SIM tool. Let's turn on the phone and take a look at the Android OS. The status bar is red color and the settings are red and black color. It is running on MIUI 9 with Android 7.1.2. It has classic app drawer function which we don't see in other Xiaomi phones. And I also have a custom Redragon cover for my phone. It has 4000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 625. 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of memory. Tell me what kind of videos do you guys like, or if you guys have any video ideas, tell me in comments.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.